gonna sit in here, right? I have safety harnesses. I'm gonna get in here. And I'm gonna film like this. Fucking gimbal out right here. And then you guys spot out if there's any cops or cars or cops or security. I'd be like, copy that. Watch out. Ah! Ready? Yeah, so basically, that's pretty much it. I think we're gonna do one more for safety. But yeah, all we have to do is wait for Johnny to move these two cars out, and then what's after that? I think are we heading out to the freeway? Oh, and then we gotta do the poster shot. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool.
Well, the next one is the poster shot. Wait, no.
No, we're doing the poster shot, and then we're doing the pop-up headlights. So
we already got this one.
what's up? Okay. All right, ready? All right, action! Oh shit! reset.
Bruh.
Give it to the shot.
Sorry, I was so focused.
That's the shot, man. That's the fucking shot. Hell yeah. Let's fucking go, dude. Yeah. We're gonna park on the bike lane, wait for the traffic to clear. The max we'll go is 40 miles per hour. I'm gonna stick my entire body up the car.
Yeah, I think that's faster.
Yeah. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get like a full body shot of the car, and then when we go again, I'll just get a close up of the wheels, the headlights.
And when we stop on the sides, we wait for all the cars to go past. We have quite a bit of time, so we're probably gonna go like minus 40.
To be honest, I think I'm comfortable going faster. I got a gorilla grip on this thing. Gorilla gripping this thing. Yeah. And for you, like, we'll try to be as close as we could. Don't go too far.
So I'll follow you first once we get there, and then I'm gonna lead, and then.
Or
you're gonna lead the whole time?
Yeah, we'll lead the whole time.
Oh, okay, got it.
We'll be on
Okay,
the
that makes it easier for me.
We'll be on the front, and then we'll say like, all right, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yo, you got your action!
Action!
Let's go! Action, I said action!
Why are you celebrating?
No, bro, I can't. Never mind. Put on the music.
Guys, you won't fucking believe who I'm racing. It's the Kumi Fujiwara, bro! Sit! Yeah, not now though. We're gonna set everything up real quick.
When we were coming up, there was a dirt road on the right side?
Yeah, there's a dirt road on the right side.
Okay.
There's like a big patch.
Yeah,
Like you won't miss it. So. I don't know where it's at, but I'll find it.
I'll find it. Does it have a tracking?
Where did find the drone?
I know. Fuck, it was a good shot too.
Does this match up to the location that you're seeing on there?
Sort of looks like it.
Okay.
Let's see what this looks like. Does this look legit? Does this look the same?
Oh man, I can't tell from here. It's okay. We can make a look around.
Oh, I'm sorry. Where did I crash
Does it tell you if you're close or not?
you? It should. Hold on. Where are you, Paul?
On your A86 footage, you just hear yourself go, "Fuck."
Yeah, but at least the shot looks cool. I mean, if I can recover that footage, then it looks good. Shit, man. That's all I need.
So
I
when
just,
I'm coming down, the drone was following me? Is
yeah,
that
it was following you. Yeah, it was going fast, dude.
Yeah.
And when I turned speed mode on,
You
yeah.
saw on the screen here, just freeze framed on like your car, just a blur, and it was frozen.
Badges, bro. So we found it. That motherfucker like all the way up in the tree.
Is it?
Yeah, bro. So I'm just gonna let you know that it's a good thing we know how to climb, cause we got Paul.
Hey! Oh my God! What?
Yeah.
Where's the battery?
Yeah.
Hey! Hey, where's the battery?
Battery?
On Paul. He's missing a battery.
Oh.
Oh my God.
All right. Well,
Hey,
enough.
Josh was like a detective, bro.
No, he's
Super sleuth.
I'm telling you, me and Josh, I have so many fucking stories of this guy going to detective mode and he's finding shit.
Yeah, bro. We literally reviewed the last 10 seconds of the footage. Shit felt like I was in one of them.
You're
48
Batman.
hours.
You're an Arkham Knight.
This motherfucker, like, you take him to a scavenger hunt, you guys will win. You guys will fucking win.
It gave us the last 10 seconds, and I was like, okay, according to.
If this was here, then it must be here.
No, you got me too. I was like, fuck, man. Because I was telling them, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna come here at night and just fucking find it on my own. No, not the dunks.
Bro, I risked the dunks for this shit, bro. Look at this. Look at this, bro. You see me slide? Nah, we back in this mother. I'm Chamorro. Hot foot, boy. We in here. I climb mountains in my sleep. And this is where you see my stupidness, because the drone he's looking at the drone right there. And I'm over here thinking it's over here.
Yeah.
He's even zooming with the camera like right here, bro. Here, come here, Paul. Get over here. Yeah, we got him.
Thank
We got
you,
him.
dude.
Hey, check the finish though. Check the finish though. This finish is
He
lit.
jumps and
Boom.
rolls.
Boom. Boom.
Ready?
You're good.
You good, Jasper? Yeah? Good? I'm ready. Oh, let me grab onto you. Alright, we're gonna go driving. Alright, go ahead. Oh yeah, please hold me. I know. Let's head back to base.
There he is, the workhorse.
So proud of you.
I'm proud of you, bro. Josh, I'm not gonna lie. You kind of doing this? I'm not gonna lie. I probably would have flew out. if you didn't come up with that idea,
At the time I saw this coming down, that was great for you.
Oh,
I thought it was gonna come down.
And slam.
Yeah.
Oh man.
How was this cushion, bro?
my ankle. I put so much pressure on that shit. Hey, it looks dope. It looks dope, man.
Follow right behind him. You know what I mean? 'Cause,
Bro,
yeah.
it looks dope. It looks
Yeah,
dope.
Good
Good job to you.
Dude, I like it. Dude, that was a good experience, man. I like that. No way you forgot. You forgot to say action.
Action!
Guys, we forgot to hit record.
You know, the whole time I was like,
Go.
All good. Okay.
Yeah,
Shit.
we're
Well, I
good.
guess this is it.
Yeah, do we gotta
Oh,
do?
bro, I'm shaking. I'm so excited.
Don't worry, you can rev it up to like 6,000 to 7,000. So yeah.
I ain't gonna do all that. I want to take care of your car. Are the lights on too?
Yeah, the lights on right now, headlights on. And then you see the blinkers on the yeah.
Is it on first gear?
Yeah, it's on first.
Where's it go? It feels like it's on neutral.
No, that's first, yeah.
Oh, so that's first.
Yes, that's first.
Am I
Oh,
slowing,
hit
bro?
it up, yeah. There you go.
Oh. Okay.
You gotta let go of the clutch more. Yeah, this is like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
There you go. You got
Yo, I'm driving the AE86. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, thank you, bro.
You're welcome, man. I got you.
So cool. This is so crazy. My mom's not gonna believe this.
Go for it. Don't be scared, go for it.
What can I say? Taco me!
I'm the ghost of the hidden valley.
Oh, it's Valley Center, y'all can anything?
This is for the archives, man.
Oh, for sure. Fucking archives.
Volcan archives. I hit my Mini Coupe. That ain't shit. Fucking still, I put that shit in sport mode, man. Gorilla grip in this thing.